Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vegan Babe here, for those of you that are new. And today I'm going to be doing a very quick review of the Primal meatless vegan jerky strips. And they come in a variety of flavors. This is the Thai peanut one. And it looks like this. I'm going to open the packet soon so you can actually get a proper look at it. But this is essentially it. That's how the packet comes. And these are the different flavors that I received. So this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. I'm going to talk through all the flavors in a bit. But what I want to do first is just give you a bit of information about the company if you're not familiar with it. And that's how I like to do my reviews before getting straight into it. But if you'd like to jump straight into the review itself and you don't want to hear about the company and their values and this and that, where they started from the bottom, now they're here, then just head down into the description box and I'll put the time frame for when I actually get into the review of it. So I'll be reading some notes off of my phone, hence why I have my phone and I'm looking at my phone, but bear with me. So apparently Primal strips are voted the best new vegetarian snack by Veg News, and it says that their Primal strips are the favourite of protein-hungry bikers, climbers and outdoor people. On their website it says to look beyond snacking and try cutting them up in salads, stir fries and burritos, or even served hot on sandwiches. Kids love them in their lunch boxes and as a midday snack. It also says that Primal strips are delicious, healthy, meat alternative snacks, providing the positive health benefits of soy, seitan and shiitake mushrooms, all with full meaty satisfaction. Primal strips, best tasting, best textured meatless jerky at the lowest single serve price on the market. Now, what I personally have to say about that based on my experience is that I don't think they're that healthy and I don't think they taste nice either. In fact, they made me feel sick. The intensity of the flavor is so strong, it's almost like you're consuming a flavor packet, like, you know, when you're making, I don't know, your instant noodles or something, or you just heavily season something with some soy sauce, salt, pepper, whatever. It's that sort of intensity. It's as if you were to take a spoonful of that and, you know, try and swallow it. That's what she said. But I couldn't stomach it to save my life, honestly. Like the first one that I had, I think it was this one, which is the teriyaki flavor. It was either this one or the barbecue flavor, which I don't actually have here. Actually, I do Texas barbecue. I think there was another barbecue one, so it was either this one or the other barbecue flavor. And even now, like, I can still smell the smell because these packets are open. You know, because I actually stomached through them, and as you can see right here, like, can you see that there's still like some sauce or whatever that is inside, and I can smell it, and it's sticky and it really stinks. It's grossing me out, just the smell of it. But yeah, my first try, I thought, oh okay, so these are nice, these pack some protein in, they're easy on the go, they're conveniently packed and all that good stuff. And I was thinking, yeah, this will really suit me because I'm really, you know, wanting to put some more protein into my diet. I want something quick on the go, and these jerky strips really seem like they would be the thing for me. But no, the actual flavor, like I said, it's too intense. I did try and pair it with other things such as rice. I put some like barbecue sauce on it just to try and, I don't know, make the flavor a bit more spread out. I don't know what I was trying to do, but I was just trying to mix and match. I put it in some bread, had it in a sandwich, I did this and that, and still I wasn't feeling it. It's the actual texture of it as well, and the way that the flavor is so, like, intense. That's the only word I can use, intense. It's like the flavor is seeped so deep into the vegan meat. It's, you know, you can't get rid of it even if you tried. Like, if you soaked it in some hot water, I guarantee if you took it out and tasted it, you still taste that sort of flavour. It's like a little aftertaste that's there. And I can't really explain it. It's something that you would need to really experience for yourself, but it's not pleasant. I didn't like it, and that's all I had to say. Like flavour wise, I would give it a 1 star. I was gonna say 2, but that's just too generous. I'd give it a 1 because it literally made me feel like I was gonna throw up and be nauseous. And I also gave it to a friend to try, and he said that it tasted like raisins. I don't know where he got raisins from, but even he couldn't finish it. He took a bite of it, left the rest of it on the side, and he was like, nah, not feeling that. So yeah, so that's it for flavour. It's a complete no from me. 1 star. And yeah, let's just move on to what it says on the website. So it's non-GMO, all natural, vegan, kosher, no cholesterol, no preservatives, no artificial colours, high energy, high protein, soy, seitan and shiitake mushroom. Now all of those things sound good, right? Yeah, I know they do, but I don't think it's as good as it's made out to be honest. Just because something is vegan, just because something is natural, just because something has no preservatives or artificial colours or what have you, it doesn't mean it's going to be the best thing for you to consume, especially because these are quite highly processed. And these are the flavours that they come in. So they come in Thai peanut, mesquite lime, teriyaki, hot and spicy, hickory smoked and Texas barbecue. So for some reason I thought there were 2 barbecues, but there's only one, and it's the Texas barbecue. And yeah, I'm not feeling any of the flavours. They all tasted very similar to me, and the only difference was slight. The one that made me feel the most nauseous or the most sick was probably the mesquite, I don't know how to say it, mesquite lime, and it looks like this. It's the green one here, and I don't know what it is. The flavours just did not go well together, and it didn't gel for me. But this says it contains non-GMO vital gluten, wheat protein, water, unrefined evaporated cane juice, naturally brewed soy sauce, expel pressed canola oil, fresh lime juice, citric acid, chili, sea salt, natural vegetarian spices, no MSG added. I mean, this just, it's like a, I don't know, they're not even seasonings. It's more like a lot of soy sauce, a lot of oil, salt, and sugar, and what else? Just gluten. That's pretty much it. And this is seitan. So there are a few of them that come in seitan, and then a few that are, no, I think it's one that's shiitake mushroom and one that's soy. So this is shiitake mushroom, this is the hot and spicy one, and then the Texas barbecue is the soy, and then these 3 right here are seitan. So the mesquite lime, the teriyaki, and the Thai peanut one that I didn't actually eat. I'm not gonna eat it, let's be honest. This will make me feel sick. Like if I was to try and eat it now on camera, it would honestly make me feel sick. The smell is making me feel sick, so I want to get on with this review and just leave it there. But something I did like about the product and the packaging is that you can tear it very easily. Like it comes in these little strip things here, if you can see them, and you just tear it like this. It's very easy to open. You see that? I just ripped open just like that. It's great for if you're on the go and you're feeling like a bit of an animal and you just want to fucking rip a strip like that, eh? So let's just take this out of the packet. Guys, you better be happy that I'm doing this review because I don't like this at all. Ew, it really stinks. And it's like the texture of it kind of almost looks like you want to eat it, but no. It kind of looks like a kebab. If you know what kebab meat is, let me just get a bit closer, but if you know what kebab meat is, you know, doesn't it look a bit like that? But I'm telling you, the smell of it, and when you actually bite into it, you can't, it's chewy. It's chewy as fuck, so it's not like kebab meat or even vegan kebab meat. Look, as you can see, I'm trying to trying to rip it apart, and it's quite hard to do so, and it's very chewy as well. This is essentially what it looks like. I wish that the smell could, oh, it's dropping on the floor, goodness me. I wish the smell could come through the camera so you know what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, it's like the first 1 second of the smell, it smells nice, and then the the rest of it is just like sickening. Too intense for me, and I'm sure there's people that love this product right here, but it's not for me. As you can see, I'm really trying to pull it apart, and it's not coming apart. You can imagine how chewy this is. I'm not even going to give you a taste test because, like I said, it makes me feel sick, and I don't like wasting food, but I couldn't eat this. I didn't even know who I could give it to who would like it. So unfortunately, or fortunately for you, this is just acting as a test for me to show you guys the texture and what it looks like and everything. But I would recommend like trying one flavor out and getting some sort of ooh, falling on the floor again. My floor is gonna stank. But I'd recommend getting like a taster packet or something like that, just a sample before you go all out and get all the flavors and whatever. But even though I don't like this product, I really thank Primal for sending me these because they didn't have to, and I just wanted to give a very honest and open review, and that is what I have done. So I can't even apologize for not liking these because, you know, you can't please everyone. And yeah, these didn't do it for me. This is going straight in the bin. But yeah, let me just show you again. It's like it's very hard to like break apart. And I'm using my hands, which, I don't know, my hands tougher than my teeth. I don't know. Anyways guys, so let me just put this in the bin. So that was my quick review for the Primal jerky bars. If you want to pick one up, you can do so. I think they retail for £2.99 on Amazon as an add-on item, or you can buy a box of 6 for £10.99. And to be honest, it sounds like quite a lot for what it is, and I think it is. Like, it doesn't sound like a lot, it is a lot, because there are so many other products on the market that aren't gonna overpower you with such intense flavour unless that's what you're going for and that's what you like. Like the fact that they're convenient and on the go, that's a very good thing, that's a plus for sure. And the fact that they don't contain any artificial colours, no genetically modified ingredients, and they say they're natural and this and that. I mean, the ingredients are ingredients that I recognise, and they're not any monosodium glutamate this and that, or I don't know, you know, some bullshit ingredients that you wonder why is that in the food in the first place. They don't have any of that in their ingredients, so that is a good thing. But with everything said, my personal opinion is that no, I wouldn't buy any of these meat strips ever again in my entire life. Not in the next life or the next life after that. I would give the flavour, the texture and the smell 1 star. And yeah, the price for what it is, I don't think it's that affordable either, because you could easily just make your own meat substitute and put it in like some Tupperware or something and take it on the go with you, and it would be pretty much the same thing, you know, on the go. You have it ready, and it would probably be healthier because, you know, it's homemade, you made it at home, you can make it with even less ingredients. There's no need to really preserve it if you're going to be using it on the day or the day afterwards. And yeah, it may seem like I'm bashing this product, maybe I am, but yeah, I didn't like it at all. But again, I just want to thank you, Primal Foods, for sending me the product free of charge in exchange for this honest and open review. And if any other companies want to get in touch to allow me to review their product, please don't be shy. And if you think your product is good, then send it over and we shall see. Because I'm a very open and honest person. Like, I cannot lie about a product. Maybe if you paid me, then you have to pay me a lot to lie about a product that is truly, you know, not to my liking. But yeah, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for more. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I'm trying to make it to the big 1 million subscribers, and it would obviously help me out a lot if you subscribed. And something else that I want to let you guys know is that I'm making a series. I've already made 2 episodes of it, and it's called Housemates, and it's basically the story of how I am being treated in the current place that I'm living in by my housemates, and it's quite unpleasant, to be honest. The reason I want to share the story is to simply express and, you know, let go and release my feelings and my emotions of everything that's happening. It's quite hard for me to process, so in a way making these videos is like a therapeutic sort of approach to me. You know, some people go to counselors, some people go to therapy, some people do this and that. For me, just sitting down in front of a camera, I realize that it really helps unburden whatever it is that's going on inside my head. I often journal too, so journaling and saying things out in the open is what helps me, and it also allows me to just spread awareness about the topic of bullying, because bullying can happen anywhere. It can happen at home, in the workplace, it can happen when you're out and about just minding your own business. It can happen when you're in a relationship. The person you love could be your bully, your sister could be your bully, your brother, your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your auntie. It doesn't matter. Like, anyone can be a bully and anyone can be a victim. So I think it's good to talk about this sort of stuff. And you might see someone and think, you know, that's not the sort of person that would get bullied, or that's not the sort of person that would take shit from someone, that's not the sort of person that would... But you never know, you know, just by looking at someone, they could either be the bully or the person being bullied or victimized, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I would appreciate if you could check that out. It's something that I really want to get up in terms of views and popularity, because that is the only way that awareness is going to be spread. Like there's no use it having like 100 or 200 views. I really want to push it up there to reach like 1K or something if possible. You know, I'm still learning how to do story times and do this like sit down talking to the camera sort of thing. When it comes to reviews, I think I got it, you know, I'm cool with doing that. But when it comes to expressing my personal thoughts and feelings, it takes me a bit of time to warm up to the camera. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and anything I've mentioned in this video, it's going to be down in the description box, including the Housemates series and videos that I've uploaded already. And yeah, thank you for watching.